The Ironwood Games is such a fun time.
Couldn't ask for a better day to do it.
I love how everybody's brought together to learn from each other.
Hanging out with my boys, is some of my best friends on the team, getting to meet people from all around is awesome.
A lot of creative, cool events.
It just seems like a challenge I would like to conquer.
It's fun bringing my family out to see what we can and can't do.
It was a blast.
Love you, Mom.
Third place, the Green Ginkgos. Second place, the Teal Tulips. First place, the Blue Beeches. Good job. Well done. Well done.